Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a Dolby Atmos Showdown between the two powerhouse soundbars, the JBL Bar 1300X and the Samsung HW Q990D. Both are top contenders in the premium soundbar market, but which one truly delivers the best sound and features for your home entertainment setup? Let's break it down. Quick disclaimer, all the information I'm sharing is based on research, comparisons, and personal opinions from experts and user reviews. Now let's get into the battle. First up, the JBL Bar 1300X priced at $1,299.95. This soundbar system promises an immersive Dolby Atmos experience with 3D sound surround. It comes with a detachable speaker that allows for a more flexible setup and true wireless surround sound. You're also getting an impressive 1,170 watts of total output power, designed to fill large rooms with deep bass and crystal clear treble. It's a solid option for anyone who wants powerful sound and convenience. However, while the JBL Bar 1300X delivers solid bass and good clarity at lower volumes, it does struggle with treble compression as you turn up the volume. This can cause a noticeable dip in audio quality, especially when you're listening to more intricate soundscapes or higher frequencies. Next, let's look at the Samsung HW Q990D. This one's also a Dolby Atmos powerhouse, and it's priced around the same range. The Q990D comes with a 11.1.4 channel configuration, offering deep, rich sound with exceptional clarity across the frequency range. It's equipped with true Dolby Atmos technology and supports HDMI pass-through up to 4K and 120Hz, which is a huge win for gamers and those who want to pair this soundbar with their latest TV or console. One of the standout features of the Samsung HW Q990D is its superior latency. Compared to the JBL, the Q990D has a much lower latency, which makes it a much better option if you're gaming or watching action-packed movies. Additionally, the Q990D avoids the treble compression issues the JBL faces, maintaining clear, undistorted sounds even at higher volumes. So which one takes the crown in this Dolby Atmos Showdown? While both soundbars offer great audio performance, the Samsung HW Q990D edges out the JBL Bar 1300X in key areas. The Samsung offers better clarity, especially at higher volumes, thanks to its superior latency and lack of compression issues. It's also a better choice for gamers, and with its support for 4K pass-through and FreeSync or G-Sync compatibility. While the JBL Bar 1300X is a solid option, especially if you want the flexibility of detachable speakers, the Samsung HW Q990D delivers better overall performance, especially when it comes to high-quality, immersive sound at all volumes. And that's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.